Hey everybody, this is Retanya, the Real Estate Champion Flowers, and today I am going to give you 3 tips to help you downsize with ease. You ready? Let's get started. Living in a place for a while is a surefire way to collect lots of stuff, especially in that spare room or in that basement. So, if you find yourself in a situation where you need to downsize, these tips are sure to help. Number 1, come up with a system. Before you start, you'll want to define what will go and what will stay. For example, you can use colored sticky notes, putting green on items you'll keep and yellow on items you'll give away, and then pink on things you haven't decided on yet. Or you can use the rule of 1 thing stays and 2 things go. Just come up with any system that's easy to follow, and in turn, you'll be downsizing and decluttering in no time. And just don't forget, when you're finished, close the door. Doing this will check it off in your mind, plus give you a sense of accomplishment. The second thing you need to do is to make the decision not to stress over it. Since it's good to have a downsizing plan, which you now have, you need to just take it slow as to not feel overwhelmed. The best way to take it slow is to tackle 1 room at a time or half a room per session if you'll be using a timed plan. And you can just start with paperwork, photo collections, or kitchen utensils. And if the thought of sorting through your belongings makes you anxious, start in neutral rooms first, such as the office or kitchen. And by the time you finish them, you'll have the confidence to go in and tackle other rooms. The last thing you'll have to do is to decide on those pink items, keeping things you want, use, need, or like to look at. If you're moving to a home that's half the size of the old place, you're going to need to get rid of half the stuff, and focusing on furniture is the best place to start. Oversized furniture may need to go in order to make way for something more scale to the size of your new home. You can sell things on the Facebook Marketplace or donating. You can donate to charity, and that will not only make you feel good, but it will also help someone else out. And nowadays, you can even arrange for a pickup of your items. So, number 1, come up with a system. 2, decide not to stress over it. 3, decide what goes and what stays. And 4 is the bonus. Call me anytime at 917-501-2222 with any questions. Following these tips is the key to successfully downsizing, so don't be afraid to go for it. You can even start right now, right after you finish watching maybe 2 more of my videos. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you out, and until next time.